Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to add friends in Among Us. In Among Us, if you want to add friends, first of all, open up the Among Us application on your mobile device and from the main menu, tap on the Friends tab at the top right corner. Now you will be able to see this pop up where you can see your friend list, the friends that you recently played with, and so on. In order to add a friend, go ahead and tap Add a Friend via Code. Now you'll need to enter your friend's code in the field. You can get your friend's code by asking them to share it from their own friends menu. After typing down the code in the text box, go ahead and tap on the green plus icon right next to the text box and your friend that you are trying to add will appear on the page. Click on the Send Request button once you find them, and once your friend accepts the request, they will appear in your friend list. And that's how you can easily add friends in Among Us. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Among Us tips. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.